I'm looking at the NQ this morning, and hey, just by the way, um, I was talking to somebody yesterday, and their main question was, "Does my software work on other instruments?" And the answer is yes. Just because I like to trade the NQ, or you see me mostly trading the NQ, doesn't mean that I don't trade other instruments as well. So, um, yes, the software does work on whatever it is you want to trade. Um, the YM is a great market. I love the RTY. Um, Gasoline is a really heavy moving market if you like high volatility and big moves. Um, and there's plenty of others that guys like to trade: the ES, oil, gold. So yes, the answer is yes. Okay, but anyway, when I got up this morning, I was looking at the chart. I said, "Oh, this is ugly. This is we've got consolidation going on." Okay, and as I keep coming back and peeking at the chart, I've really kind of changed my mind on this, and um, try and follow me here. Um, Really, we have something like this going on, don't we? Because this isn't perfect, but you see what I'm getting at is we keep putting in lower lows, right? And yes, our highs have been slowly dropping, but they haven't been getting higher. Okay, I mean, I can build a case that we've got some pretty good resistance up here. Okay, and we keep putting in lower lows. So I'm just going to watch this for a little bit longer and see how this develops and see if there's anything I'm interested in taking a trade in.
Order NQ, filled. Sell signal 1.
Okay, great. So we got filled. Let's just hope we get some follow through now. Better than we did yesterday.
Target filled.
Nice, okay. Nice, so we got our first target off. Let's hope we still get more follow through, right? I'm kind of watching what it's doing around this blue line area. Nice, okay. Got our second target off. Trailing our third.
Target filled.
Nice. Nice. All right. Nice way to end the week. Okay, 178 ticks times $5 a tick. Nice. Okay, so let's look at this setup. Okay. Originally, I said when I first opened up my charts this morning, I thought I saw consolidation. Okay, and I think it was a good call because, I mean, let's look at things. What do you see here? Okay, you've got a bunch of long signals. And then we have a bunch of short signals, all in a very short period of time here, okay? So when you scrunch up your screen, you can see these things. As time went on, and I kept peeking back at it, I kind of changed my mind. Based on what, though? I mean, look at the stair-stepping here on the bottom, okay? We just continually kept putting in lower lows, all right? And yes, I mean, technically you do have some lower highs, but really more of a defined resistance area, really, right? And this yellow signal, you know, I love yellow signals, so when this popped up, it was kind of a no-brainer, but really it should have been no surprise because look at what we had. We had all yellow signals here, so it wouldn't have surprised me to get a yellow signal. In fact, if I got a red or a blue, maybe I would have considered passing. I don't know. You know, it's hard to say what I would or wouldn't do in the moment of a live trade, but you know, hindsight is always 20/20, right? So I'm just trying to break down what I see, what I did, and the logic behind, you know, why I took the trade. So yeah, basically we kept breaking new lows, and when we got this yellow signal, I took it. Simple as that. So as far as getting the movement, you know, we are after the open, and you just don't know if you're going to get follow through with the market. Look at yesterday, you know, 2 trades yesterday, and we had a loss on the day. So it happens. Don't get upset. Don't change your strategy or your trade plan just because you had one bad day in the week. It happens. It happens to everybody. And anybody who's telling you it doesn't happen, they're misleading you. Simple as that. So I hope this explanation helps. I'm taking next week off. We've got Thanksgiving week coming up. I suggest you guys do too. It's good to get a break, step away for a little while, clear your head, and we'll be back at it in another week or so. So happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and maybe a consideration. I always try and put some of my profits aside for donations, especially this time of year, Thanksgiving and Christmas. And if you're in the financial situation where you can afford to do something like that, try and think about others as well. So happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you guys soon.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.